Good for Business is sponsored by Washington Federal Bank. Call us WaFd Bank.
Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Brad Goode here with your Good for Business report. Redmond-based Microsoft just pulled off its second biggest acquisition ever, and it shows what business the software giant is moving big into. The company inked an agreement to buy speech recognition company Nuance in a deal worth nearly $20 billion, including debt. Nuance has become a leader in cloud voice recognition services for the growing healthcare industry. This will double Microsoft's potential penetration among healthcare providers. Bitcoin back in the news, skyrocketing to a new record above $62,700 this morning as investors gear up for this week's eagerly awaited direct listing of cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Global. Bitcoin has already more than doubled in price this year and represents just over half of the overall cryptocurrency market value of nearly $2.1 trillion. This surge also fueled by large companies like Tesla deciding to invest some of its corporate cash in Bitcoin. More signs the economy is recovering. Consumer prices rose sharply in March, partly on rising gas prices. Prices we pay for food and other essentials are up about 2.6% in the year since the pandemic hit. But analysts say overall price inflation is in check at this point. Now, some bad news hitting the markets you've heard about comes as the Food and Drug Administration recommends a pause on the use of Johnson & Johnson's COVID vaccine after several reported cases of blood clots. As the vaccine rolls out, that continues. Big bank JP Morgan says America should be fully reopened July 4th, and restaurants are poised to benefit from pent-up demand to get out and dine. Many analysts expect to see more volatility in the markets as the recovery stumbles a bit on spiking COVID cases and vaccine issues in the rollout. But the money continues to pour into stocks in a broad-based fashion as anticipation of an ambitious recovery fuels Wall Street. Right now, the Dow is pulling back about 160 to 70 points in early trade. Most of that, though, is a drop in Johnson & Johnson stock on the recent vaccine clot concern. Be good to yourselves. That's Good for Business, powered by WaFd Bank.